Brown Shrike, scientific name Lanius cristatus, Bangla naam Badami Koshai ba Kajol Pakhi. The brown shrike is a bird in the shrike family that is found mainly in Asia. Medium-sized shrike with a slender black mask and rufous brown rump and tail. The black mask can be paler in winter and has a white brow over it. Females tend to have fine scalloping on the underside, and the mask is dark brown and not as well marked as in the male. Favors open forests and fields with scattered trees and bushes, often in parks and gardens. Least concern refers to abundant species widely distributed across countries.